Hi, my name is Albert from TruPhysics, and today I would like to introduce to you the TruLifter kit. And with the TruLifter kit you can easily combine this super fast Epson T3 SCARA robot with the linear axis of Igus. So on the one side you can put any application such as dispensation of fluids, pick and place applications with suction system or gripper, and extend the reachability of this fast robot with the linear axis from Igus for up to 6 meters. And the good thing about the TruLifter kit and the included app is that after installing this app on Epson RC programming environment, you can easily start in your familiar programming environment and program the linear axis. So looking forward for your ideas and also looking forward to help you in any demand. And yeah, see ya!